In this video, we will show you how to use the Tax Sync, Shopify to Salesforce feature in Sync Made Easy. Let's get started by logging in to Salesforce. Navigate to the Sync Made Easy app and open the SM Pro features. Enable the Tax Sync, Shopify to Salesforce feature. Now, go to your Shopify store and create a new order. Select a product and add a customer. You will notice that Shopify automatically calculates the applicable tax for the order. Complete the checkout process by collecting the payment and marking the order as paid. Once the order is created, copy the Shopify order ID now, return to Salesforce, and search for the order using the Shopify order ID. After the order is synced, open the Salesforce order record. Go to the Related section, where you will find the tax line record automatically created. Open the tax line record to verify that the tax amount and tax rate have been successfully synced from Shopify to Salesforce. So, this is how you can automatically sync tax details from Shopify to Salesforce using the Tax Sync feature in Sync Made Easy. I hope this demo has helped you. In case you need more assistance, write to us at support@syncmadeeasy.com. See you in the next demo.